Hello children, in this class we will discuss types of computer languages. We have already discussed in our previous class, you know that there is three types of computer languages: low level language, middle level language and high level language. So let's have a look its definition and advantages or disadvantages. In our previous class, we have already discussed that low level languages can be classified into two different types. So, the first one is machine language. So, let me explain the machine language first. Machine language, it is also called first generation computer language, which is developed for communicating with a computer. It is one of the low level languages. Machine languages are written in machine codes as the binary digit, that is 0 and 1, which the computer can understand and use to make the system perform its operation. Now let's see the advantages of machine language. One of the main advantages of machine language is that it doesn't require interpreter and a translator for the execution of program. The second advantage is computers can easily understand low level language. The third one is low level languages require less time for the execution of program. Now let's see the disadvantages of machine language. Low level languages instructions are machine dependent, which means that the codes or program written on one machine may not be supported by the another machine. The second one is, since the chances of finding the errors are low, it is very difficult to find the debug the system. You can see children, the debug words, it is written in red color. So what does it means? Debug means the process of identifying and removing errors from the computer hardware or software. The third one is, at a certain point of time, it is difficult to understand and use this language as it is not portable. Okay, now again you can see portable, it is in red color. So what does it means? Portable means which can be easily carried or moved. So these are the advantages or disadvantages of machine language. Assembly language. Assembly language is the second generation programming language which has similar set of commands and structures like those present in machine language. Assembly language is designed to perform the operations with the help of words or names as in English. So let's move to advantages or disadvantages. So advantages, the first advantages is it is very easy to understand and modify errors. The second advantage is instructions written in a middle level language are easier than instruction written in low level language. The third one is these languages are hardware oriented. Now let's move to disadvantage. Assembly languages or middle level languages need to be translated into a machine so that the system can understand. The second one is middle level language. Middle level language is machine dependent. And the third one is these languages are complex. It takes a lot of time to code or write a program. So these are the certain advantages or disadvantages of assembly level language. Now see some questions. I have given some questions for you. So you have to solve. Explain the classification of computer languages with a neat diagram. And the second question is, what is a machine language? So children, in our next class, we will discuss high level languages. Thank you.